Unless you are a local, most likely you have never heard of this NOLA dish. Yakamein. Yakamein's origins are said to be either from African American soldiers who fought in the Korean War and brought back the Korean cuisine influence and mixed it with the Black influence. Or it is said that the origins might be from Chinese immigrants who came to Louisiana to work on sugar plantations and railroads and brought their noodle soup with them and introduced it to the African Americans with them. It is a true Asian and African American fusion. Traditionally, the ingredients are beef, broth, noodles, typically spaghetti, boiled eggs, and green onions. We eat it with some soy sauce and hot sauce. I did say that it was a fusion. It's yummy for the tummy. There are places in and around the city where you could purchase a nice hot bowl of Yakamein. For this video, I went to the Real Pie Man. Of course, he's known for his pies, and that includes sweet potato, pecan, coconut, lemon, and peach. He also has peach cobbler, ooey gooey cake, and pralines, which are also invented in NOLA. I ordered the Yakamein and one of his mini pecan pies. Let me tell you, they were delicious. That scent from the green onions was fabulous. And that was some of the best pecan pie that I've ever tasted. Have you ever heard of Yakamein? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for your time and attention, and be blessed.